And here we go again. Today I felt like doing something super simple but also super delicious. So I decided to make some baked feta pasta, which is amazingly delicious. For that we need some feta right there in the middle, and some cherry tomatoes, fresh chili to give some hotness in there, and 1 tablespoon of oregano, one tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Actually, we can throw all those in there. Then one big clove of garlic. I like to grate my garlic here so the taste spreads all over already in the oven, because this is going in the oven because this is baked feta pasta. Of course it's going to the oven. But then a little bit of olive oil, actually a lot of olive oil. So here we have feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, some fresh chili, grated garlic, salt, black pepper and oregano, and these we will use afterwards. And now we just put it in the oven and wait for 30 minutes. And in the meanwhile we will bake our fusilli pastas. Pinch of salt in there in pasta water. And about 50 minutes before we take that feta thing out of the oven, we boil these pastas, and they should be ready at the same time. Let's get these out of the way. So it's ready from the oven, and this is a perfect example how to ruin your food. I put my garlic on top of this and it's crispy and burned. It should be here among the liquids, so it stays nice and smooth and soft. But it isn't. And in addition to that, I forgot to put my pasta water to heat up, so I'm now waiting for the pasta to be ready, looking at this burnt feta garlic thing. Feta is actually, yeah, it's soft and smooth, so are the tomatoes. So we're gonna get some good food from this, but don't do it this way. Don't put your garlic on top of there. You can use whole garlic cloves or minced garlic, but remember to put it on the bottom so it mixes with tomato juices and that olive oil. But we are going to get some nice flavorful food from this nevertheless. But now we have to still wait for the pasta to be ready, so it should be soon. So this is what it looks like at this point. Although the garlic's got a little bit crispy and burned, there's still much flavors, and I think we will be getting some delicious food still. Let's hope. So now our pastas are ready, and we will continue making this a bit hot, but just mix it well So the tries to run away. Mix it well so all the flavors mix, all the ingredients mix. Here we go. Let's put some Parmesan, actually Parmigiano-Reggiano is this, but you can use Parmesan if you want. The choice is yours. I think we just made this a double cheese pasta because there was feta and now that Parmigiano-Reggiano, and then some fresh basil on top, like this. And you don't have to do this, but I also like to mix it at this point. And there we go. And then of course we have to taste it. So we put it on the plate like that. So here we have it. We ended up having good looking feta pasta, and let's taste, is it good or ruined? A bit salty, of course there's feta and salt and that Parmigiano-Reggiano. So if you don't like too salty food, then you can leave the salt out of it. But this definitely is worth try. But even though we got that garlic a bit crispy and burnt, we still got ourselves great pasta. And sometimes cooking is like this. It doesn't go as planned, but still we might end up with great and delicious food. Even though I struggled a bit with burning that garlic and forgetting to put pasta water to heat up, I think I managed to make quite good feta pasta, and I don't regret my struggles here. I enjoy this food. Bye.